Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Hey everybody, we are in Discovery Bay, Dairy Discovery Bay. You used to live around here, right?
Yeah.
When you was like a teenager?
Yeah, man. We about now.
Like-
Actually, right here.
Right here. Okay, hold on. We're at the house you used to live in. Oh, so this is the yellow house.
Yeah, the yellow house and the one behind. That's it. One, every 21 on the same property.
Oh, okay. So this is where Outlaw used to live. How old were you? Then?
Maybe 13, 14, 15.
14, 15.
Around that side there.
Yeah, you used to live with your auntie, right?
Yeah. You see that house over that side?
The white one?
Yeah, the big one.
Yeah.
That a pig pen was right there.
Oh, okay.
Lot of pig and fowl.
You have to look after them.
Yeah, man. Me and my auntie husband.
Yeah.
Mr. Chin, Mr. Lynn.
Okay.
Right there.
So this is your old stomping ground.
And Sunday morning time, you used to have to deliver chicken around the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Because the people them that go to the same church with them,
Yeah.
them buy chicken from them. Yeah, I have to go deliver them chicken in the morning time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yes.
Lakeside Park, Whoopel Park, and all these places you walk. To deliver chicken.
So as a young teenager, Outlaw lived in Discovery Bay. Not right here, like I said.
Yeah.
And look at it now. Every time we come in here, it says how it's built up and
Different
all these
things.
places weren't here before. This is a Paradise Place. This is a restaurant and like a vacation apartment rental, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, the place nice now. Development, wicked around here.
So it's really nice. It's really
So you
nice
see
here.
this house right here? Yeah, me and the little youth them over there used to same little youth them together. When I was youth together.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah, right here. So they was the bigger people in the vicinity them time. Yeah, that can afford a really good thing.
Right.
Party keep, them keep party.
Okay, this
Yeah,
is
big
good
people
party.
come to the area.
Yeah.
Big people come to
So
them.
you spent a lot of time at parties.
Yes. Right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what's nice about around here, guys, is the little.
Martin place, huh? I mean, yeah.
What's nice about this place, guys, the place is building up there. A lot of houses building, that's nice.
Yeah, man,
isn't it?
that's
What's
really
nice
nice.
about this place is the little pockets of hidden gems, right? And we're going to take you to one of the hidden gems
Maybe two.
today. Yeah, we've showed it before, a long time ago.
Yeah, I can show you a newer one.
Yeah.
We'll never show
Well,
you.
if you've been with us from the very beginning, you would have seen it.
Yeah.
But we've not been around this part for a long time.
Yes.
So,
So for our new subscribers now, like, then I've refreshed a few things.
yeah.
You know? The refreshment is good.
But a lot of the houses here get sea view, won't they? Especially
man.
if you're on this side.
The rest of yes, we're gonna
Yeah,
side to
if
the
you
sea.
go up, yeah. So yes, people, Discovery Bay Dairy. We've just come from Puerto Seco.
Still in Discovery, yeah.
Oh.
Lot of villas around.
Yeah, lots of villas around here. Lots of, do you know what I like as well? There's lots of modern building going up as well. Look at this one's quite modern, isn't it? Lots of modern buildings going up as well. You got your traditional.
Paradise Villa.
Oh yeah, yeah. We looked at here one time, didn't we?
Selling. It's
Paradise
also
for
selling.
sale. Oh, okay. Paradise Villas for sale, if anybody's interested.
Sure.
We're not advertising it, people. We're just passing it and seeing it and just showing you what we're seeing. Yeah. And there's still back here a lot of land.
Yeah, man, crazy land, man. And more houses around here, too, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, people just start to build.
The last time you passed, people were just starting to build, right?
Just start to
And
build.
that was a long time. That was
Yeah.
over a year ago.
Yes, more than a year.
More than a year since we've been here.
That to say, the place is start building up
Starting
now.
to develop, yeah.
Yeah, start a lot of
Building up
development
there,
going
yeah.
right now.
I definitely would. If I could buy a piece of that land here and build something,
If we could.
yeah.
Well, I don't know. We can't say if we could. I don't know what's going on.
Exactly. We
So,
don't know.
so-
Yes.
Yeah, right, that's what I'm going to show you something about this stuff.
Okay, what's over there? Ah, okay. So, all right. So we've parked up. It's got a big thing there. It means that you can't just pass it. Guys, let me show you where it's taking me.
You can.
Alright, so just say. Alright, hold on, people. So this is where he's saying I should come out. Look. Well, I can see already. I can see the sea already over there. I can already see the sea. This man has got me trespassing, people. Oh, I can see. What can you see? It's a nice piece of land, isn't it?
Yes, man.
So this is such a beautiful piece of land.
So, yeah, somebody going to stop down here.
Yeah, they're burning. They're burning, yeah. Ooh. There's a nice breeze as well.
Sea breeze, isn't it?
Sea breeze. Oh, guys, look at this. So how come this is the first time you've taken me here?
Yeah.
We've been on the other side. Guys, it's going to be windy. Sorry about that. Yes, people, as I was saying, it's going to be windy because of the breeze. So I know it's going to be a lot of noise on this video.
Beautiful sea breeze.
But look at this, guys. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. Look, people. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that.
That is it.
That is it. Guys, I know it's breezy, I know it's noisy. Wind.
We're going to enjoy it there.
But we had to show you. Yeah. So usually we go around that side, right?
Yeah, going around here.
Yeah. Yes. Right around. Yeah. People. Let me just see this. How beautiful is that? Let's see some more. Huh? Oh, okay. So Outlaw spotted some fish. I should have put my crocs on. Okay. Yeah. So Outlaw just got some fish. Gone under the rocks. Yeah, guys. Let me just show you this is where we come from. Down there.
Got a little reef right, that's what you see there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
I feel like I'm on top of the world standing on this.
Parties and things like that.
Okay. Yes, it's beautiful, right guys? These little hidden gems.
When you come to Jamaica, you just say, Outlaw and Deezer, take me that place that went. He was showing me in Discovery Bay. So I know where that is. So that's no problem. Just name it.
We're gonna drive around and see go on to a different part now, right? Yeah. Alright, guys. So guys, we're just passing this piece of bush right here.
Yeah.
And what did you say, Outlaw?
My aunt that me used to live with down here.
Yeah, that's from the house we just passed.
Yeah, you know elderly people still like to have something for do. Because she come cut out, me and she come and cut out a piece of this land.
You cut out a piece of this?
Yeah, cut out a piece and we plant some sugar bean and pumpkin on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right in there. And sugar bean beer like a joke, me tell you. And when it is a sugar bean special land this. Yeah, so every time it was me and she as a little youth come round here and she can do her farming, plant her thing, we come back and reap it and the whole works. Right in there, so.
Okay.
Right in there, so.
Yeah.
You can't forget that. Yeah. See bush up now, but
Yeah.
it was right in there. You walk through and go over there.
Okay.
Not far from the road.
Reaper
You see
pumpkin and reaper sugar
Reaper
bean.
sugar bean and reaper pumpkin.
Do
Yeah,
you
man.
sell them or is it just for personal use?
That's a personal use.
Okay.
Family and friends.
Yeah.
Mm.
So yes, people, there are a few houses here, especially at the back. At the front, there's a lot more, but at the back, there are 1 and 2 really nice houses. You can see. There's still a lot of land. I'm sure the next time we come down here, it will be built up even more. But nice place around here, though.
Beautiful.
All this is still yet to be developed, but you know it's going to be developed when you
Yes,
see them cut
ma'am.
road. Look,
Yeah, man, you see them roads?
clear the roads.
Yeah, probably later on, a few years from this.
Yeah.
See what's going on around here.
Discovery Bay is nice, and it's a nice area. Nice place.
This is it.
And all this is still to be developed.
Yeah, man. And all this stuff is already cut out already. You can see
Yeah,
cut out.
and
You
we're
can see around the corner that. So maybe somebody's moving forward.
yeah.
Cut out 3 pieces and say, yes, I that you know.
Alright guys, so we've just come from another way and you can just see the sea in the distance.
Water come way up, man. Because the water right is all over.
What is it? Well, the tide is high, isn't it?
Yeah, the tide is high. Very
Yeah,
high
the tide
too.
is high. So maybe we can't go as far as we usually go.
No.
Because usually we just walk all the way out, but we'll see how far we can go anyway. It looks bushed up as well, more than normal. See that. Alright, so we've just come from up here. We've just driven from up there. And then at the end of the road, this is what we have. Yes, this is it from another part. Guys, look, this is what we have to be walking on, these jaggedy things. You have to come with the right shoes, you know. Woo. Yeah, here we are. Yeah. Yeah, the water is high up today. But usually we walk down. Here we go all the way around. Sometimes Outlaw all the way out there.
Walk over there and walk across what is it for catches, you know. Yeah, man, do that. You can do that.
Yeah.
Walk around for the rock.
But I'm not saying you used to walk around,
Yeah,
walk all the way around,
go over.
go over, go all the way
At
over
the
there.
point.
Sit
Go
at-
line.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
man.
catch fish.
The water is still away right now. You can see right around.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, yeah, we just want to show you this.
Where's up, man? Them hidden gems.
These
Yeah.
little gems.
Yeah, man.
You know, sometimes we come to Jamaica. Guys, I've been coming to Jamaica for so many years and didn't know anything about these places until, like, you know, the last few years of living out here.
Yeah,
And
man.
Outlaw showing me certain places.
Have to.
And there's so many more places to discover, honestly.
Yes, I'm going to take you there.
Yeah.
We're going to show you too. Right now, you feel like you want to cool out. You come out and want to cool out. You go sit down under the sea grape tree.
Yeah.
One bend right there, so very cool.
Sea grape.
Yeah, so now nothing to worry about. No insects, whatever. No snakes. Mangoes, all
There's
snakes.
some on there, actually.
Yeah.
Can you see? Sea grape. Ah, yeah.
Yeah,
Sea grape.
yeah. They look better than that now, but maybe
Yeah.
because
yeah.
of the
Maybe
heat
it's
or the
time.
drought or
Yeah.
whatever. Why them so small. Sweet one, you saw one.
You eat them.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Enough of that meat, man. Crazy sea grape.
Yes, people. So this is it. The other side of it.
Yeah.
There's another side as well. There's quite a few, so I think it's depending on from around the corner there.
I walk about the whole of this, man. Go right up. As I use. Yeah, man. From where around down there, on first place, come right up. Walk
Yeah.
up on the rock and come right up. Right across.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, somebody to walk across or so. Step over to the other side. Go through Milan and catch fish. Yeah. Nice.
Ah.
Beautiful.
Oh gosh. Alright guys, you probably can't see us very cleally, but sun's out. But yes, Look at that beauty in the background. Here we're going to end at the vlog, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this one. And please like, comment, share, subscribe, and until the next time.
That me say. It work.